Hi again. Welcome to the course of Java programming. This is our day 4 and today we're going to talk about object oriented programming. What is object oriented programming? If you look around yourself, you already know the answer. It is right. Now you are using your computer or laptop and watching this course on YouTube. Here, you as an object access another object, that is your laptop, and your laptop which in turn uses another object called the YouTube server. As a matter of fact, our physical world is full of objects and communication between them. A good example can be animal object, okay, with several properties like movement, sound, diet, lifespan, etc. They perform certain functions like eating, wagging the tail. So the objects has three things. First is identity or name, and second thing is properties or variables. So in the case of animals, the properties are age and color. And third is functionality and behavior. So in the case of animal, it is eat, sleep. So objects will communicate with each other using the functionality or the methods. And they do the communication, they exchange these properties or variables. The information is exchanged in the form of properties and variables. A Java is an object-oriented programming language. The main advantage of object-oriented programming language is that it's very easy to map the real-world problems on a software solution. For example, think about the banking system. Can you tell me all objects you think? Yep, head of office, branch, customer, accounts, and methods like account creation, loan, your repayments, etc. So all the objects in banking systems can be easily represented in object-oriented programming like Java. Now, let's talk about class. So you already know that what is an object. So every real life entity is an object. So an object can be defined as an instance of a class. An object contains an address and take up some space in memory. And objects can be communicate without knowing the details of each other's data or code. So here, collection of objects is called class. It is a logical entity and class is a blueprint from which objects are created. When you want to create an object, you create its class first. For example, if animal is the class, then dog is the object. If human is the class, then man is the object. Class does not consume any space. So thanks for watching. If you like the video on Java programming, so please do subscribe the channel.